Hi everyone, I'm trying to do exercises here, but Charlie keeps nibbling onto me, don't you, eh? I'm just trying to do some basic stretch exercises, and you keep getting in my way, don't you, eh? Don't you keep getting in my way? Look at you, eh? Yeah, I'm trying to do exercises. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to do a few. So let's get up here. Stretch. No, that's his tail. Hey, come on. Leave me. Oh, well, hey? Yeah, I'm trying to do stretching here. Leg stretching. No. Oh, no, it's behind me now. Oh, there he is. What are you, a coach? What, my coach? Isn't he? Hey? Whoa. Right, legs out. Push out. Look, it's pushed on my arm now. Yeah, always wants attention. He's fine, by the way, somebody ask. Push out. 2, 3. No, don't stand. No. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Way. Oh. Yeah, I'm laying on the floor here while Charlie's just pushing his head up against me. Aren't you, hey? Well, the dogs have just come back from a walk. Hey, me, oi, aren't you, hey? Whoop. Oh, crikey. Always want attention, don't you? Hey? Let's try to do some stretching here. Stretch. There. Stretch. Well, Charlie's becoming a good coach, aren't you, hey? Look, he's right behind me now. That's what you call. Look, he's still here, aren't you, hey? Anyway, everyone, have a good week ahead. Excuse me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.